Creating a YouTube channel is not just a hobby, it's an incredible business opportunity. And for some, it can even be life-changing. This is one of the reasons why faceless YouTube channels are becoming so popular. Running a faceless channel has so many benefits. You get to stay anonymous, which means you can feel less self-conscious while still sharing valuable content. If starting a faceless YouTube channel sounds interesting to you, let's explore a few profitable niches you can dive into. 1. Finance and investing. Finance and investing is one of the highest-paying niches on YouTube. We're talking about topics like saving money, budgeting, and investing in the stock market. The reason this niche pays so well is simple. Advertisers want to reach viewers who are interested in managing or growing their money. Since many viewers in this space are actively looking to improve their finances, companies that sell financial products are willing to pay a premium to advertise on these videos. Here's the best part. You don't need to be an expert to get started. Research a topic, learn the basics, and share your insights in your own words. Many creators use whiteboard animations or slides to explain concepts, so there's no need to show your face. In this niche, channels can earn between $30 and $50 per thousand views. That's called CPM, cost per thousand impressions, and it's significantly higher than many other topics. 2. Business to business, B2B content. The B2B niche focuses on helping people who run businesses, whether they're small business owners or professionals in larger companies. Popular topics include digital marketing strategies, software reviews, and tips for running a business. Advertisers in this space are eager to connect with business owners, so they spend big money to promote their products and services. This niche is perfect if you enjoy helping others succeed in business or have an interest in strategies that drive growth. You could earn between $15 and $30 per thousand views in this niche. And just like finance, many B2B creators use text-based content or animated graphics, making it easy to stay behind the scenes. 3. Technology reviews. Tech is always a hot topic. People love learning about the latest gadgets, from smartphones to laptops to smartwatches. While competition in this niche is fierce, technology review channels still attract a loyal audience of viewers who want honest opinions before making a purchase. You can focus on unboxing, explaining features, and reviewing the pros and cons of different products. Tech channels often earn good money because advertisers from big tech brands are willing to pay to reach an audience of potential buyers. In this niche, CPM rates typically range from $10 to $20 per thousand views. 4. Health and fitness. Health and fitness are timeless topics that always have an audience. Whether it's tips on eating healthier, workout routines, or mental health advice, these channels attract viewers who are looking to improve their lives. Brands that sell health-related products like protein shakes or workout gear often partner with creators in this space. CPM rates here range from $10 to $20 per thousand views. You can create content using slides, stock videos, or animations to share tips and advice, making it easy to stay faceless while making a positive impact on others. 5. Luxury goods. Luxury goods channels focus on high-end products like designer clothes, luxury cars, and expensive watches. These channels attract a specific audience, people who admire or aspire to a luxurious lifestyle. Even if viewers don't plan to buy these items, they love watching videos about them. Luxury brands are willing to pay more to reach this audience, which is why channels in this niche can make between $16 and $20 per thousand views. Whether it's showcasing luxury cars or talking about high-end fashion, this niche offers great potential for faceless creators. Starting a faceless YouTube channel is not only possible, it's highly profitable if you choose the right niche. From finance to fitness to luxury goods, there's a niche for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Pick a niche, start creating, and let your Faceless channel take off. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.